So here is the comparison between Clickup and Workfront. You can click on the links down in the description if you want to try out Clickup or Workfront. Clickup is an all-in-one productivity platform that combines task management, docs, goals, time tracking, and team collaboration into a single interface. It's highly customizable with different views like list, board, calendar, and Gantt, making it great for teams of all sizes, from startups to enterprises. Clickup is affordable, user-friendly, and constantly evolving, but some users find it feature-rich to the point of feeling a bit overwhelming at first. Workfront, on the other hand, is built specifically for large enterprises managing complex projects across departments. It excels in resource planning, workflow automation, compliance, and integrated approval processes, especially for marketing, creative, and operations teams. It's best suited for organizations that need high-level project governance and deep reporting capabilities. The trade-off is that it's more expensive and requires significant onboarding and admin setup. These are the pricing plans for Workfront. All their plans include work management, demand management, resource management, and more. So, if you want a flexible, modern, and budget-friendly tool that can adapt to almost any workflow, Clickup is a solid choice. But if you're managing large-scale projects with strict compliance, resource control, and interdepartmental needs, Workfront is the better fit.